सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 10, verse number 11. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. Sri Krishna Paramatma talking about the glories of his own manifestation. How I express myself in the form of this creation. Everyone, maximum, generally people agree with that some universal power is there. Because of that power or God, this whole creation has come. We are all surviving because of that power that is called God. Therefore, generally people worship, show their gratitude to that God. In different forms they worship. Some people deliberately they worship by knowing His greatness in the form of this creation, and some people helplessly, out of fear, let us show some gratitude to Him. Let us have some remembrance of God. If we forget Him, He may punish us. So helplessly some people worship. Either deliberately they worship or helplessly they worship, but they worship. When they are worshipping like this, they worship in the form of personal God. Eka Rupa Bhakti. Since I need so many things in my life, since I face so many problems in my life, I look at that Lord as the person who removes my problems in different angles. One God, according to my need, I look at Him in different ways. For example, whatever I undertake, it has to be fulfilled without obstacles, without any obstructions. Whatever I undertake, whatever I start, it should go ahead. It should not be obstructed. So therefore, I look at that God. Help me. So this what I am undertaking should not be obstructed. This has to be completed. Condition. So that God is called Vinayaka. Now you are working as an employee. What employment I have given to you? You have to take care of my undertaking, whatever I have taken up. Whatever obstruction comes, you remove. Now you are the employer. Under me. Director சொல்ல மாட்டோம். But this is my condition. So I call him as Ganapati. But when I want some money, I badly need, first badly in the morning onwards till night, that alone we want. Kaseda kadavulada anna. Dhanam moolam idam jagat. That Sanskrit statement, Dhanam moolam idam jagat, alone said in Tamil. Now what is the next condition? I want money. Therefore, Ganapati job is different. It's another job. So you are my employer now. So you are working under me. Oh God, what you are doing? Give dhanam. Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Ashtalakshmi. Dhanalakshmi, Dhanilakshmi, Santanalakshmi, Vidyalakshmi, Veeralakshmi. All these Lakshmis, you are functioning as, this is your role now. We are playing role, we are thinking, but we are making the God to play the role according to our whims and fancies. Lakshmi. I want knowledge, I want to study. Now you have to take care of. எல்லா இடத்துல அவனை கூப்பிட்டுட்டே இருப்போம். So now you play the role of Saraswati. Now you have to take care of my knowledge. Buddhi has to function properly, otherwise I will complain on you. எனக்கு ஏன் புத்தி கொடுக்கலன்னு சொல்லுவேன். So you play the role of Saraswati to take care of my studies so that I can get knowledge. Not over. Still further. I need more strength. I need lot of strength to walk, to run, to do all these works. But therefore I want strength. Now what is your job? Play that Lord to who can give strength. Therefore now what is your role? Shakti. Now you play the role of Shakti or Durga, so that what? You can give me strength. Like that, different roles. When I want children, when I want house, when I want buddhi, balam, shakti, different gods in different areas, I myself picturized that one God according to my necessity. I put condition to the Lord, oh Lord, give me help in this form. This is called personal God. Personal God. And once all these are fulfilled, some extent, we are happy. But this person who is worshipping the Lord as a personal God, using God for his benefit all the time, he can never get that higher nature of that Lord's. Therefore, he can never get that jnanam by this personal worship. Therefore, Bhagavan is very compassionate. One day or other, this person has to get my Swarupa Jnanam. So always asking for balloons and marbles, rupee notes, coins. Always asking for that. So let me help him. Because he is worshipping, no? Every Chaturthi, he worships the Lord. Every Vijayadashmi is worshipping. So Lord is so compassionate. Somehow he is worshipping me for all these things. out of compassion, Bhagavan, what he does? Let me give some highest knowledge for this person. He is not a Nastika. He is an Astika. Bhagavan irkar, so that Bhagavan, I want to worship. Somehow he is closer to God. What Bhagavan does, out of compassion, to give knowledge, Bhagavan has to give something else before knowledge. To give that highest knowledge, it is not possible to give that knowledge to this person. So what Bhagavan has to do? Bhagavan has to give something else before giving that highest knowledge. If that something else, if he gives only that knowledge is possible, that something else is called Virat Swarupa Jnana. Virat Bhakti. Vishwarupa Bhakti. Seeing the Bhagavan only in the picture and that photo, in that idol, in his own puja room. Not anywhere. Anantaya Namaha ni cholluva. Sarvagataya Namaha ni akshata poduva. You are everywhere. But he never accepts intellectually. He accepts only in the temple, only in his puja room. But he is not matured enough to see that Bhagavan. How can Bhagavan be in my own puja room, only temple? How Bhagavan cannot be everywhere? Anna question varadi ivanike. Because of this personal worship panni. Mind is very restricted. Narrow mind. So Bhagavan has to give such a vision, knowledge to some extent. I am the cause of this creation. This whole universe is my manifestation. Bhagavan Chollan. This whole creation is my manifestation. Bhagavan has to say. Everything is my vibhuti. Therefore worship me in everything. That what Bhagavan gives. Vishnu Sahasranama is what? Lalita Sahasranama is what? Vibhuti of that Lord or Devi. So Bhagavan presents this. Everywhere you see that Lord. Suppose you don't see the Lord everywhere. You see only one place. That Bhagavan can be omniscient. He cannot be omnipresent. He cannot be omniscient. ஏதோ ஒரு மூலையில் இருக்கிற பகவான் எப்படி ஆல் பவர்ஃபுல் ஆக முடியும்? ஏதோ ஒரு மூலையில் உட்கார்ந்துறேன்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். கைலாசத்திலோ வைகுண்டத்திலையோ ஆர் இன் அவர் பூஜா ரூம் as our personal worship God. He cannot be all pervading. He cannot be all powerful. So Bhagavan is very unhappy. I am all powerful, omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. இவன் போய் அல்பிஷியண்ட்டாக பண்ணிட்டான். பூஜா ரூமுக்கு மட்டுமே பண்ணிட்டான். அந்த கோயிலில் மட்டுமே நான் இருக்கேன்னு பார்க்குறானே, பகவானுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? குறையாக இருக்கும். ஸோ பகவான் இந்த பக்தனை கொஞ்சம் he appears in different forms. Therefore they show the vibhuti. That is the vibhuti yoga. Karanam, I myself, whatever you are seeing, all products are nothing but my manifestation. So therefore, Arjuna, I am in everything, even internal mind, that all emotions are all my manifestation only. Emotions are also my manifestation. This body, gross body is also my manifestation. Everything is my manifestation. Nothing is there other than me. So, vividham rajate iti virat. Vividham bhavati iti virat. The one who manifests, who is present in everything. Therefore, I decided, I am interested in giving this knowledge to this person What I do? In 10th shloka, Bhagavan said, Dadami buddhi yogam. So, Artha Bhakta, Artharthi Bhakta, even personal God, he has to become Jignasu Bhakta. Jignasu Ahanumanna, he should see God in everywhere. He should have a broad-mindedness. Vishala Hridayam is required. Not constricted mind. You see the people, they don't utter the other name of the God. There are people, they never utter the name of the other God. If they utter the other God's name, it is Mahapapam. There are people. They never enter the temple of other God because it is Papa. సింహం తొరతాలను కూడా శివాలయத்துக்கு పోకూడదని విశిష్టాద్వైతానికి ஒன்று இது. அதே மாதிரி சிவபக்தனுக்கு கூட அந்த டெம்பிள் விஷ்ணு தேவாலயத்துக்கு போகக்கூடாது. Great bhaktas. What type of bhakti that is? It is not what name you can give. This is called narrow-mindedness. There are people like that. Bhagavan is compassionate towards them also. That's why in childhood we used to read a story. Ghanta Karnan ani per avanike. He is a Shiva Bhakta. Great Shiva Bhakta. Daily on the Shivalingam, he worship that Lord Shiva. Do Abhishekam, Puja, Dhupam, ellame he shows everything. And if anywhere Narayana sound comes, no, he cannot tolerate. And the surrounding people come to know this, his weakness. He is Shiva Bhakta. They want to do some ridicule him or criticize him. They want to have a fun with him. Whenever he is worshipping Lord Shiva, they used to shout Narayana, Narayana, shout big, huge voice, the loud voice. And he is not able to tolerate that. What he did, Rundu and the money and the bells, he tied 2 bells to his ears. 2 bells he tied to his ears. Whenever they say Narayana, Narayana, he moves his head. So that sound will not enter into his ears. If he moves his head, that bells will make some sound. So that the Narayana will not enter in his ears. Bhagavan is so sad by seeing this bhakta. Somehow Bhagavan want to open his eyes. One day Bhagavan himself, this is such type of situations Bhagavan only creates. Adella work pannala Bhagavane varuvar. These are all not working. He is very, very fanatic. What to do? Bhagavan himself comes to test. And one day Bhagavan appeared in that Shivalinga, half Shiva, half Vishnu. Half of Shivalinga, Vishnu is appearing. This person is so annoyed, this Bhakta, Shiva Bhakta, what he did, he is showing Naivedyam, Dhupam, Deepam, only Shiva side, not Vishnu side. And the Vishnu part is not showing. Not only that, he is closing that side and even showing. What Bhagavan can do? There are people. It's not a joke. I am not just for story's sake I am telling. There are thousands and thousands of people in this manner, they worship the Lord. Such a person, when he is going to get Vishwarupa Ishvara Bhakti, Eka Rupa to Aneka Rupa ke Pomudile Arupa Gnano enge varaporde. In this Janma, can he get moksha? With this mind? Bhagavan knows this tragedy happens in the bhakta's life. Same bhakti. I am a great devotee. Great. This is the greatness. So Bhagavan, out of compassion, he wants to show his vibhuti. I am in every form. That's why in Hinduism, we worship trees, mountains, rivers, sun, moon, what not. Everything. This is not madness of Hinduism. Hindus are not mad. Hindus are advanced people. Hindus are advanced thinkers in the form of, in the case of worshipping the Lord. They are very, very advanced. They are having lot of evolution in understanding the God. Hindu is none other than who is having a mind which has got an evolution in the case of worshipping God. Very, very unique mind Hindu has got. Hindu means not newspaper. Okay. Hindu means a person who accepts Vedas and who worship all forms are God only. That is called Virad Upasana. Virad Upasana. Therefore, Arjuna, I give him this knowledge, Vishwarupa Jnanam or Virat Rupa Bhakti, I give first for that person. After giving that Virat Rupa Bhakti, slowly what I do? Buddhi Yogam, Jnana Yoga. I will bring him to Jnana Yoga. That's what he says here. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam. 10th sloka he said. Whoever worship me, Buddhi Yogam Dadami. By that Buddhi Yoga or Jnana Yoga, Shravana Mana Nididhyasana Dwara, he come to get Amritatvam. Yena Mam Upayanti. He attains my Arupa nature. Formless God, infinite Brahman, he come to know one day or other. How I help? In 11th sloka, Lord Krishna said, Tesham Eva anukampartham, out of compassion, aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayami. I remove their ignorance, which is in the form of darkness. Ignorance compared to darkness here. Tamaha means darkness. Why this darkness? It is called ajnanajam tamaha. That ignorance is nothing but ajnanam. Nashayami. In 11th shloka, second line, I destroy their ignorance, which is like darkness. How? Atma bhavasthaha gnana deepena. By remaining in their own heart as Atma Swarupam. Atma bhavastaha, remaining in their own intellect. Atma means intellect. Here, antahkaranam is the meaning. Antahkarana, by remaining in their own intellect, I just light up that knowledge in their own intellect. Bhagavan compared this Jnana Deepena. What Deepam I am going to light up here? Jnana Deepam. That is why in Hindu Dharma, lighting up the lamp in the morning and the night, evenings, it is an auspicious action, no? That worship, it is a type of worship. We first light up the lamp, Deepa Jwalanam. For every function, for every action when we start anything, Deepa Jwalanam. Lighting up the lamp. It indicates one day or other, we also get jnana. That lamp lighting is because of light you see the things. You get the knowledge of things. Similarly, just as the light gives the knowledge of the other objects, if you get jnana deepam, if you light up that jnanam, you see the real nature of God. Jnana deepena bhasvata. The comparison is there. Beautiful comparison. Shankaracharya writes in his Bhashyam how he compares. First deepam, I give some 6 points. Every day you are doing deepa jvalanam. இந்த விளக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது நமக்கு, ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Now if you understand this, how beautiful our culture you can know. Number 1 is that deepam, whatever you keep, it must be free from wind. Some enclosure you keep. Some enclosure. Then only deepam can be light up. Then it can stay some more time. That enclosure is required. Then number 2, you require oil to light up the lamp. Velakennai. And the oil, ginjal oil you require. That is called oil sneha. Sneha is called oil. Okay. Then what is the third one? Wick is required. Tiri. Wick is required. As number 3. Number 4, that wick must be pointed. No? It must be very, 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 very pointed. Thin. You have to apply karpuram there to catch that fire immediately. Many places deepa jvalananu vechi கூப்பிடுவான். வச்சுட்டா அது ஒன்றும் it will go on keeping, it is not catching the fire. The people who are arranging, they do not know this much also. அந்த திரி to sharpen கூட தெரியாது, தடி அப்படியே வச்சிருவான். இது சம்பிரதாயம் கூட தெரியாது. கணீச கற்பூரம் அப்ளை பண்ணா டக்குன்னு it will catch the fire and you have to stand there. Go on. That's why to sharpen it, you have to apply oil at the edge. It will catch. Still better is karpuram. If you apply with karpuram, powder of karpuram, catch immediately. Nice smell also comes. Even many bhaktas also do not know this. Then that 5th one, what you require is to light up the lamp. The process, you have to, the matchstick, matchbox irukku, wick irukku. This matchbox you require. Matchbox is there, wick is there, oil is there. But the action to be done, you have to pressurize that matchstick to the matchbox. Is it not? Then only you can light up the lamp. All actions are important. Edi onnillana kuda you cannot light up the lamp. So the process of lighting up, this is called process. This job you have to do. Process means what? You have to take the matchstick from the matchbox. You have to just rub that stick to that matchbox, not all over, on the side. Then you have to put near this is called process. Even all are ready. If you don't do this process, it won't work. Like that one lady, she want to learn cooking and she got one book, how to cook. And everything is there, written there. What? Arisi, paripu, vegetables, everything. How much you have to prepare and all. Measurements are all there. She kept everything ready. And she kept the patram also on the stove. And she is waiting. 1 hour over, nothing is prepared. Everything is as it is. And she do not know even to light up that gas stove. She is waiting. Why? Not written in the book. Intelligence is like that, no? Some people. There are people. Number 6, some amount of, suppose it is totally closed, that enclosure is totally closed, it will put off. It cannot shine, the deepam cannot shine, it will put off. So some little amount of oxygen supply should be there. Then only that light will continue. The lamp, the light will continue sometime. All these are very clear for us. Like that, what about Jnana Deepam? This is ordinary Deepam. Every day we are doing at home. What about Jnana Deepena Bhasvata? I am lighting up that lamp of knowledge, light of knowledge I am going to give, Buddhi Yogam. So, we have to apply now to Vedanta. First one, the enclosure is a detachment. Detached mind is required. A mind, extroverted mind, it goes outside. In that mind, Jnana Deepam cannot be lightened up. The enclosure is a detached mind. Introverted mind. Saturday comes, Bhagavad Gita class should come in the mind. That's the introverted mind. A detached mind, at least sometime from the external world. It is a detached mind. Number 2, oil. Oil is here bhakti oil. Bhakti oil. Tivra mumukshutvam jignasu bhakti is the oil. Number 3, that wick is called buddhihi, intelligence, prajna. He should know that this buddhi has to be enlightened. Then only it is lightened. Enlightened intellect only is lightened. No bharam. Unintelligent person, mind is bharam. எனக்கு பாரமாக இருக்கும். லைஃப் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா போயின்னு இருக்கேன்னா பாரமாக இருக்கும், ஹெவியாக இருக்கும் லைஃப். The enlightened mind is that mind who enjoys the light mind. Very, very relaxed எப்போவுமே. How do you know? Mind is light or intellect is very enlightened intellect enjoy a light mind. How do you know? மூஞ்சு பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். By seeing the gloomy face, you can understand it is the enlightened mind, intellect, which is enjoying the light mind. Gloomy face, not gloomy face. That's adayalam. So, buddhi or vic, intellect is the vic there. So, and the buddhi roda in the jnana, you have to light up. No? Number 4, wick should be pointed up. No? நல்ல திரி நல்ல இது எப்படி இருக்கணும், கூர்மையாக இருக்கணும். ஆமாம். ஸோ அதுதான் சம்ஸ்கிருத புத்தி. கற்பூரம், கற்பூர புத்தின்னு அர்த்தம். சம்ஸ்கிருத புத்தி. You apply to the, compare to the wick. That means studying from the teacher's standpoint, studying Tarka, Nyaya, Mimamsa, like that, studying from the teachers. From the student standpoint, sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, shama, dama, uparama, titiksha, shraddha, samadhanam, qualifications, and sincerity, commitment to study shastra, all these are sharpening that theory. அது மாதிரி அப்படி இருக்கணும். So this is Samskrita buddhi or Karpura buddhi. Number 5, process of lighting up the lamp is called Vedanta Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. Process of lighting up Tattvamasi Mahavakyam. Tattvamasi matchbox. Okay. அது எடுத்துட்டு மேட்ச் பாக்ஸ் ஸ்டிக் எடுத்துட்டு வெளியில தத்வம் அசி అని வைக்கணும். அவ்வளோதான். பாக்ஸ்ல இருந்து மேட்ச் ஸ்டிக் எடுக்கணும். தத்து துவம் அப்படி பண்ணணும். பண்ணதான் அப்புறம் வெட்டிட்டு என்ன போயிடும். அசின்னு பண்ணணும். அந்த தீபத்துக்கு பக்கத்தில் கொண்டு போய் அந்த திரிக்கு பக்கத்தில் வைக்கணும் இல்லையா? தத்து துவம் அசின்னு என்ன பண்ற குரு? இதுதான் பண்றாரு. ஸ்ரவணம் ஸ்ரவணம் சாஸ்திரம் டேக்கிங் வாக்கியம்ஸ் அண்ட் வாக்கியம்ஸ் அண்ட் வாக்கியம்ஸ். எவ்ரி வாக்கியம் இஸ் லைக் எ மேட்ச் ஸ்டிக். Every class is like rubbing against the matchbox. How they rub 1 hour, go on doing, then what? I see you are that. Finally go on listening Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasana. After going home also carrying the same deepam. I hope so. In intellect law, Swamini enna sonna. So many students are asking, I am very happy. Swamini, edhuk holidays 1 month ani kekran ipo. So students are waiting for class. That means they are having this manana nididhyasanam, interest in shastra. Shravana manana nididhyasanam. What Shravana? Edo kada kalakshepam illa. Swamini, I went to this lecture, that lecture, I heard so much. Nothing doing. Lighting comes by tube light also. Lighting comes out of cigarette also. அங்கே கூட கொஞ்சம் லைட் இருக்கும், புகை கூட வரும். Lighting comes because of so many things. But this deepam is different. What deepam you keep near Bhagavan? Not tube light, not cigarette light, not cigar light, not gas light. What light you keep near the God? That type of wick, oil இருக்கிற விளக்கு தான் வைக்க போறாங்க. நாட் ஆர்டினரி திங். பகவான் இன்னைக்கு ஆர்டினரி லைட்டு தான், உனக்கு தீபம் கிடையாதுன்னு சொல்லுவேளே. Put the deepam. Therefore, never compare this other Shravanams and all with Jnana Deepam. Jnana Deepam is entirely different. So, Vedanta Shravanamana Nididhyasanam. அது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எப்பவுமே பகவத்கீதையே சொல்லிட்டு கொஞ்சம் ராமாயணம் சொல்லுங்க சுவாமின்னு, அப்பப்போ பாகவதமோ பாரதமோ சொல்லுங்கன்னு. நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், என்ன பண்றது? ஐ எம் நாட் ஃபார் தட். தெர் ஆர் பீப்புள், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ, தெர் ஆர் பீப்புள் டாக்கிங் அபவுட் ராமாயண பாரதம் பாகவதம். நிறைய பேர் சொல்றான். யூ கேன் கோ தேர் இஃப் யூ ஆர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட். பட் டோன்ட் ஆஸ்க் மீ. ஐ எம் ஏ வேதாந்திக் டீச்சர். ஐ டீச் ஓன்லி பகவத் கீதா. I teach only Upanishad. I teach only Prakarana Granthas. அதுக்கு தான் வேதாந்த சிரவண மனன நிதித்தியாசனம். Number 6, what is that? Some amount of air, oxygen, I said. கொஞ்சம் விவேகம் இருக்கணும். Why this Saturday class? Why we have to systematically go to that class? Why we have to write notes? Why we have to listen attentively? Why I have to attend throughout the year? Why can't I attend once in a while? Why can't I study casually? இந்த விவேகம் இருக்கணும். Why I am studying scriptures? I want moksha in this janma. I want a life which is free from sorrow, which is free from limitation. This is my goal. It is decided, determined. This viveka irukka vendamo? Irukka Swamini, first adukku da vanden. With that viveka only I came. What happened later? Later, some problem came in the family. So what? I lost my viveka. So what? I missed the class 3 years. Or one thing or other problem comes, I miss the class for years together. Then suddenly after 5th year, Swamini comes in the mind. அப்போ எங்கேயோ கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன், போய் பார்த்துட்டு வரேன்னு திருப்பி ஃப்ரம் த பிகினிங் ஸ்டார்ட். பை த டைம் 5 years of ஆயுஷ் ஹேஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ்ட் டு யூ. அது தெரியாது. திஸ் பர்சன் நெவர் ரிமெம்பர் தட். Why Swamini long introduction? 1 month gap, no? Therefore I have to give long introduction. Still people are not aware of this. Summer over, classes are already started. Innum people are not ready. After 2nd week or 3rd week varuva class. Sela per irukka. ஏன்னா அந்த விவேகம் சஃபிஷியண்டா இல்லை. ஏதோ சிம்பிள் ரீசன் சொல்லிட்டே they skip the classes. டிராஃபிக் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான், ஆட்டோ கிடைக்கலன்னு சொல்லுவான், பந்துன்னு சொல்லுவான். சும்மா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, பந்து கிடையாது, ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. All meager reasons, taking, escaping, you are escaping, giving meager reasons. Whose sake? Whose sake? For teacher's sake you are giving? யாருக்கு நஷ்டம்? இந்த விவேகம் இருக்க வேண்டாமோ? அதான் சொல்றார். லாஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து some amount of viveka is required to nourish that jnana deepam. That means continue the shravanam. If you don't continue the shravanam, this feeble knowledge, arakorai knowledge, feeble knowledge, aham brahmasmi, I know I am Brahman, with some Brahma. Any tragedy, crisis comes, போயிடும் இந்த ஞானம். I forget my real nature. It won't take much time. In short time span, that you will slip off. That's why continuous shravanam பண்ணிண்டே இருக்கணும். எத்தனை நாள்? லைஃப் லாங். Never stop the listening. All priorities, let them be there. This priority, never lose sight of shravanam. But manushyanam sahasresh, hundreds and thousands of people, one person or one or two people remember this. This group who are here, thousands la few people. Among students also, among students who are all attending, not regular, not sincere, no commitment because of so many reasons. What to do? All the best. Next birth. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam आदिदेवमजं विभुम् आहुस्त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे. देहो देवालय प्रोक्तः सजीवः केवलः शिवः देवः. Temple itself is a devalayam. Ee devalayam ulla garbhagriham is there. In the garbhagriha antakaranam, there is Atma Swarupam available, but that Atma Swarupam is not known because of darkness. The temple in Garbhagriha also full of darkness. If you go there, irutta irukum. Gum irutanu solluvam. Our temple asamantat liyate iti alayam. All prakarams are compared to 5 koshas. If you cross all prakarams, you go to that sanctum, main temple. The main temple, you go there, you have to go and bend your head and go. Have you noticed that? You cannot raise your head and go. You have to bend and go to that inner temple, not outer temple. Outer temple, ippu paakanum dwaram. You have to look at the dwaram like this. Inner temple, ulla chinna temple, you have to bend your head. Not only head, sometimes body also you have to bend and go. This is the uniqueness of our Hindu temples. What it means in surrender to Lord. Bend in front of Lord. Bow in front of Lord. Cross all these pancha koshas, annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, cross and enter into that antahkaranam, garbhagriham, there is lot of darkness, ajnanam. How do you know? Lot of confusions, lot of depressions, lot of oppressions, lot of suppressions, lot of anxieties. Kavalai, worry, all these are all indications for the darkness, ignorance of the heart, antahkaranam, what to do. Temple, Gurukul has to come to light up the lamp, and he shows the lamp to the Lord, and you do namaskar. The Guru has to come, the priest has to come, he has to show that arati, then you see the Lord. Then only you can see the Lord. Otherwise you cannot see the Lord. Similarly, this Atma Jyoti inside, Atma Swarupam you can recognize when the Guru comes and show the Mahavakya. Teach the Mahavakya. The Guru has to come into your life, Gurukul. Okay. Has to show that light and a teaching. Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasana. Correct மூணு ரவுண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அப்பாடா புரியுது சுவாமி, புரியுறது, என்னோட ஜென்ம தன்யம் சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ. 10 வருஷம் ஆனா கூட 15 வருஷம் ஆனா சுவாமி சொல்றாரு. 30 வருஷம் ஆனாலும் சொல்லல அவர் 30 வருஷமா டீச் பண்ணா கூட பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் ரெடி டு சே. அண்ணா எந்த அளவுக்கு பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹேவிங் த டென்ஸ் டார்க்னஸ், இருட்டு, அவ்வளவு அஜ்ஞானம். சம் பீப்புள் கெட் இன் 3 years, சம் பீப்புள் கெட் இன்னொரு 0 போடணும் பக்கத்தில். 30 years ஆனாலும் வராது. சம் பீப்புளுக்கு இன்னொரு 0 என்ன 300 ஜன்மாஸ். அதனால மெனி டீச்சர்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங் அண்ட் டீச்சிங் கோயிங். we are postponing our what? ஜீவன் முக்தி. we are postponing. சுவாமினி அட்லீஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த் ஆகுது எனக்கு மோட்சம் வர மாதிரி பிளஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னு கேட்டா, இப்படி நான் சொல்ற டீச்சிங் எல்லாம் வேஸ்ட்னு தானே அர்த்தம். சப்போஸ் a student comes from 10 years listening, your class is so nice Swamini, excellent teacher you are, your teaching is amazing na இதெல்லாம் சொல்லுவான். சொல்லிட்டேன் சுவாமினி யூ பிளஸ் மீ, அட்லீஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த்தாவது எனக்கு மோட்சம் வரணும். அப்ப என்ன நான் ஃபூல் தானே? ஐ ஆம் ஃபூல். இன்டைரக்ட்லி டெல்லிங் யுவர் டீச்சிங் இஸ் redundant, useless. Not telling directly. They do not know even this also. When they are asking, telling like that, I get Jivan Mukti, at least next birth blessing, it is insult to a teacher. You are insulting the teacher indirectly. You are insulting the teacher, the teaching of the teacher. Therefore, while you are talking, be careful, alert what you are talking. Why can't you be alert or vigilant what you are talking? அந்த அளவுக்கு கூட புத்தி வேலை பண்ணாமலே என்ன சாப்பிட்டு இருக்க? What you are eating? Tamasic food? That's why மனுஷ்யாணாம் சஹஸ்ரேஷு இந்த துர்லபம் திரயமே வைத்தது முமுக்ஷுத்வம், மனுஷத்துவம், மகாபுருஷ சம்ஸ்ரய, இதெல்லாம் 3 வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட ஸ்டில் சந்தேகம்தான். என்ன பண்றது? மோக்ஷமு கலதா ஜீவன் முக்தி கானி வாரலக்கு அன்னாரு. So Lord Krishna says, hey Bhagavan, you are Param Brahma. Now he is appreciating the Bhagavan, having heard that Bhagavan is all pervading, he is the cause of this creation, everything is he alone. He understood Param Brahma, you are the infinite Brahman. Brahma ki different meanings are there. Brahma anna Veda also is called Brahma, Omkara is also called Brahma, Brahmana is also called Brahma. Here Brahma is not Brahmana, is not Veda, not what you can call Omkara. Here Brahma, to know it is infinite Brahman, the Param word adjective is used. Param Brahma means supreme infinite Brahman. Parandhama, you are the supreme abode, substratum of this creation. Parandhama means what? Abode. Supreme abode. పవిత్రం పవిత్రాణం పవిత్రం యో మంగళానాం చ మంగళం. என்ன மந்திரம் தெரியுமா? அது ஸ்லோகம் தெரியும் சுவாமி, விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம். மீனிங்க கேட்குறேன் நான். பவித்ராணாம் பவித்ரம். கங்கா இஸ் தட் which is the purifier. Ganga is the purifier. A pilgrimage center is purifier. Agni is the purifier. They're all the objects which are purifiers. They purify everything. Pavitram karoti iti pavitram. Punati iti pavitram. That which purifies. Hey Bhagavan, you are the pavitranam pavitram. Therefore paramam pavitram. So he says you are pavitram paramam pavitram. You are the purifier of purifiers. That means Ganga, pilgrimage centers or temple, all these are relative purifiers. But you are Paramam Pavitram. That means absolute purifier. Infinite Brahman, absolute purifier, by knowing which there is no further purification. If you dip in the Ganga, I go to heaven. And people think now. That's a go take Ganga bath. ஒன்றும் 1.5 மணி நேரம் உட்கார்ந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் டே ஃபீவர் வர இருக்கு. ஐ வாண்ட் டு பியூரிஃபை சுவாமினி. என்னென்ன பாபம் பண்ணிருக்கோனோ என்ன ஜென்மல தெரியாதே, இதுதான் வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சிருக்கு, மళ్ళీ ரிஷிகேஷ் வரமாட்டோமோ என்னமோ தெரியாது. லெட் மீ டேக் பாத். So what? I can go to higher lokas. Punyam I want to get. Papa should go away. Hey, Punyam also is an obstacle. Ganga cannot remove Punyam. Pilgrimage center, wherever Tirtha Kshetram cannot remove your Punyam, destroy your Punyam. Why Swamini? They have to destroy Punyam. Let the Punyam be there. Hey, Punyam is there, you will born again. You will enter in this womb again. If you enter in the womb, you have to go to tomb. Therefore, Punyam is also an obstacle. Bhagavan is Paramam Pavitram. He removes Punyam also. Punya Papa Nivartakaha. Punyam is a golden chain. Papam is an iron chain. Both are chains only, that which binds. But people are not ready to drop the Punyam chain. They do not know it is a chain. Unless you come to Shastra, study thoroughly, hold on to Punyam. Working for Punyam. Hold on to Punyam. 99.99999% of people hold on to Punyam. Kaschit dhiraha. Only very rare person drop the Punyam. அது விடுறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் தைரியம் வேணும். தைரியம் இல்லையே, எல்லாரும் ஒரு டிமிட், ஃபியர்னு எங்கே அந்த புண்ணியம் விட முடியும்? சுவாமி புண்ணியம் சம்பாதிக்கிறதுக்காக இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்ட புண்ணியம் எல்லாம் அப்படி டிராப் பண்ண முடியுமா என்ன? நீங்கள் பாட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்க, நீங்கள் மட்டும் விடுங்க, நாங்கள் விட மாட்டோம், புண்ணியம் மாத்திரம் விட மாட்டோம். You live Swamini, you don't have any burdens, you don't have anything, you are sannyasini. That is for you, not for us. Ada paramam pavitra anna here. Okay. Bhavan, you are, oh Bhagavan, you are the purifier of purifiers. Purusham, Punat, Purusha means the one who pervades everything. Purayati sarvam, in the form of Jyoti Swarupam, light of consciousness. That consciousness means what? It is a Jyoti Swarupam. Consciousness, Jyoti anangane ellaru ulla pa. Jyoti anna. Our mookham meeda par Jyoti theriyadu. Our chest la par Jyoti theriyadu. Ashadu, why mood anna. Jyoti, Shastra use the word. Often Shastra use. Jyoti represents light represents knowledge. because in whose presence you know the things. In consciousness presence, you know the things. Jnanam. Consciousness means jnanam. Chit. I am conscious of, I am conscious of, I am conscious of, I am conscious of. I know, I know, I know, I know. That's why it is called Jyoti. Okay? Consciousness is called Jyoti because I know things in its presence. I am consciousness. Therefore, what is my name? Jyoti. My name is Jyoti, not body name, not mind. Body kuda I am conscious of body. I am conscious of mind means what? I am Jyoti Swarupam, in whose presence body is known, mind is known. Body is known or not? Kosu kadicha theriyum. Mind is known or not? Alla theriyadu. I am conscious of. Therefore, what is my name? Jyoti. What is English name for Jyoti? Consciousness. Who is consciousness? I myself. Why? I am conscious of body. I am conscious of mind. Therefore, I am Jyoti. No, Swamini, because of sense organs only I am seeing the world, I am knowing. No, they are also called Jyotis, but I am Jyotis of Jyoti. Jyotisham api tad Jyotihi. I am conscious of that sense organs which are illumining the objects. If I am not there, these eyes, sense organs cannot see. Therefore what? Jyotisham api tad Jyotihi. So Purusham Shashvatam, adada Divyam anartham. Div dhatu. Div means that it is Prakasham. Shashvatam, eternal. Purusham, Purayati Sarvam. In the form of Jyoti, consciousness, I am filling the whole body. எப்படி தெரியும்? கிள்ளி பார் தெரியும். தெரியுறது? A touch, vision, smell, Sabdam, Sabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, in every knowledge. Bodham, Bodham, Pratibodham. I am conscious of. Who? Purusham. I am Purushaha. You are Bhagavan, you are that consciousness, eternal consciousness, shining one, Adi Devam. You are the first God. What about other gods? All are second. Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni. Kena Upanishad Visa? Agni, Vayu, Irana, Varuna, all of them are small g. Adi Deva, you are. Adi Narayanan. You are the Adi Devam Ajam, birthless, fatherless father. அவருக்கு ஃபாதர் கிடையாது, அம்மா கிடையாது, அம்மா அப்பா கிடையாது. என்ன அம்மா அப்பா இல்லாத பகவான்? அவருக்கு அம்மா அப்பா இருந்தா பகவானுக்கு கூட ஃபார் தட் அம்மா அப்பா இன்னொரு அம்மா அப்பா வேணும் இல்லையா? ஸோ பார்வதி தேவி இஸ் ஸோ ஃபார்ச்சுனேட். நோ ஃபாதர் இல்லை, நோ மதர் இல்லை. பார்வதி தேவிக்கு Lord Shiva is the Adi Pita. So no father-in-law, mother-in-law problem. Okay. Ajam, Vibhum, all pervading. Vibhum means all pervading. Where he is not. Bhagavan, where he is not. நீங்க பண்றதெல்ல உபச்சாரம் இல்லை அபச்சாரம்னு சொல்றாரு சங்கராச்சாரியர் நிறைய பிளேஸ்ல. இந்த பக்தாஸ் எல்லாம் உபச்சாரம் பண்றேன்னு சொல்றேன் இல்லையா? உபச்சாரம், ஷோடசோபச்சாரம். இஸ் இட் உபச்சாரம் ஆர் அபச்சாரம்? ஸ்நானம் சமர்ப்பயாமி, நைவேத்தியம் சமர்ப்பயாமி, தூபம் ஆக்ராபயாமி, புஷ்பாணி சமர்ப்பயாமி. இங்கே போடுறான் நாட் எவ்ரிவேர். அங்கே பார்த்து கோபம், தாபம், ஈர்ஷா, அசூயா, ஆல் ஆர் கமிங். நாட் சீயிங் பகவான் எனிவேர், ஓன்லி இவருக்கு தான் நைவேத்தியம். அதே பிச்சைக்காரன் வந்து கேட்டா போ 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 சுவாமி சாப்பிடு சாப்பிடு, இவருக்கு சாப்பிடு, போ 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 சாப்பிடு சாப்பிடு, போ 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 சாப்பிடு சாப்பிடு. என்ன பண்ணா? விபும்னு தெரியல நமக்கு, அந்த பாவனை கூட இல்லை. இது நாட் பாவனை, இது நாட். என்ன பக்தி? உபச்சாரமா இது அபச்சாரமா? நமக்கு தான் தெரியணும், பகவானுக்கு தெரியும். So therefore he says next further how the Maharshis talk about Bhagavan Vibhuti. They all know. That's why Narada, he says here, Narada is one sage who moves all over and talk about Bhagavan's glory. What we are talking? Serial cricket match or something, our Bharata and Ramayana, not about Bhagavan. That we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.